Askwera say Mre Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chikuwa subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mre Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yabuditswa na yanetsa ma social media nyaya ye a police officer uyo atrenda ma streets e social media. This police officer angakabata a placard and protesters are not criminals. Nyaya ya Buddha shimenge pani nyaya kunetsa vanoda protester for SADC summit. So yashamsana wakawanda chinzi mapurisa anetawo, they don't want zvirikuitika muno munyika chinzi this mapurisa are to support our section 51 of the Zimbabwe's constitution. Zimbabwe's constitution, my citizens have the right to petition and demonstrate peacefully. Yabuditswa ne ZW News wakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti, at the time there are rumors of planned protests ahead of the Southern African Development Community SADC summit this month. A Zimbabwean police officer is trending for amplifying section 59 of the Zimbabwe's constitution, which says citizens have right to petition and demonstrate peacefully. The country's economy is not performing well for many Zimbabweans, and civil servants have not been spared. Over the years, civil servants such as teachers and nurses have been engaging in industrial action demanding better working conditions. Apparently, the government has in many cases responded by sending police officers to attack them. Of late, even police officers have condemned the way the country is being managed by President Mnangagwa's regime. Those wabuditswa ne ZW News along with a picture remupurisa yamurikuona rapo angachitaura iye achiti ma citizens ane the right yekuprotesta kutaura kwatiri kuti vakazemeka vakabuda zvitaura vachiti mapurisa achabata basa, they're going to arrest everyone achapinda street. But now this image rashamisa vanhu vakawanda muri Zimbabwe kuti even mapurisa acho ava kutosapota maprotesters. Chichi chaitika mabuda vachiti pachanakidza musi wa17 kana protest iyi ichinge yakuitwa yakarongwa nemaSADC protesters. There is also another picture rabuditswawo zvakare rakabatwa placard Nema Soja mushure mekunge mupurisa wayo rabuda ranga rakanyorwa richinzi Zimbabwean lives matter, zvikanzi guns down and stand with the people. Fellow soldiers, let's uphold the supreme law of Zimbabwe. We must protect Zimbabwean citizens, not a few corrupt. Zimbabwe is for us all. Ndofunga murongoona iro picture apo muri Zimbabwe. These pictures anetsa muri Zimbabwe ma streets social media hazvina kupera mushe pataurwa ipo pachinzi these guys are going to be hunted down, hanzi vachadzingwa basa vosungwa. Asi wopo chimwono abuda achipopotera whoever ari kubuda achicriticize masoja nemapurisa, soja nemupurisa uyu achaura ivo achiti, we have a lot of ignorant people on social media. Police officers are accused of siding with the regime, and when one is brave enough to speak out, as the one with the placard did, we have people saying anodzingwa basa, vachamuwana achasungwa. These are the foolish individuals who are pulling us backwards. They have come compliant with the dictator and are comfortable with being oppressed. If you are a coward, don't spread your fear on my page, please. I will block you. Keep quiet if you have nothing meaningful to say, rather than come here and tell us to comply with the dictator. Keep your foolishness to yourself. The dismissive comments reflect a mindset that discourages dissent and reinforces the status quo. This kind of attitude is detrimental to the efforts of those who are working to bring about change and challenge the existing power structures. Pasine Mbwende. On this page, we block cowards. Zozabuda zvitaurwa na vahopo ching'ono muri Zimbabwe vachimira nemupurisa uyu. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi zvinomira mushe vaMnangagwa pamwe chete navakazembe vakange vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti zvipere mushe kune avo vachapinda mustreet reZimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi pabuditswa zvakare nyaya iyi neCrime Watch vachitaura vachiti Varakashi are now accusing our brave ZRP officer of inciting public disorder and violence. They have no shame. Along with the picture yakanyorwa one of my Twitter users anonzi Yezo, anyone with information pertaining the identity and whereabouts of this rogue police officer must come forward. This foolish officer of the law committed a serious crime of inciting public disorder and violence. He must be fired from ZRP, severely punished and locked in jail. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section kuti zvichapera mushe here kana kuti tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Inini ndakakura naamai vanga vari strict. Ukati musuno yatete woita manyemwe wotaura zvemanga uchitaura kuti atete vangu varipo, amai vangu vanokuratidza kuti muyeni haupinimidze pamberi pemuyeni. All this time the CCC was quiet because they are disorganized. Now we have a major a diplomatic event which we have worked hard to host, which we are doing everything possible to look as spruced as ever, to look good. Amai vakugezesa kuti muonekwe zvakanaka naatete. Iwo wakusvika ipapo wakuti vanonditi vanonditi pamberi paatete. Amai vangu vanokutorera shambu pamberi paatete ipapo vokushapura. Vabva futi atete vokurova futi kuti hazviitwi. This is mischief on the part of Chamisa. It has nothing to do with showing Democrats, because if he wanted to be democratic, he should have won the elections. If he wanted to be democratic, he would have sorted the mess in his party through democratic means. He didn't sort that out. How do you want to be democratic by demonstrating SADC when you are not democratic by running the affairs of your party on a day-to-day basis? It's mischief, and we are a party which fought a war. We know the pain of organization. We know the sacrifice of discipline in order to achieve certain ends. Don't try to taunt ZANU-PF, because we've gone through worse things than before. And there is nothing for ZANU-PF which is worse than a war. So we don't want to be taunted as a party. Kuda kufadza vayeni musuwa vanouya. We will not allow it. Kupinimidza pamberi pevayeni, we will not allow it.